Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you why is Freelancer Audio not working 2026. There can be several common reasons. Microphone or speaker permissions. The browser or app may not have permission to access your microphone. Incorrect audio settings. Wrong input, output device selected, microphone, headphones, or speakers. Device permission issues. System settings may block microphone or audio access. Outdated browser or app. Older versions can cause bugs affecting audio features. Internet connection problems. Weak or unstable connection can disrupt audio calls or playback. Cache or data issues. Corrupted cache may interfere with audio loading or functionality. Hardware issues. Faulty microphone, speakers, or headset can prevent proper audio. Server or platform issues. Temporary issues on Freelancer can affect audio services. If the issue continues, check permissions, test your microphone, update your browser, clear cache, or contact Freelancer support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.